If you ask the average homeowner how much their mortgage payment is, they could probably tell you the answer in seconds. A more difficult but equally important question: do you actually know how much your home is costing you each month, all in? If you're like most people, the answer is not really. And that's not because you're bad with money. It's because the true cost of homeownership can be harder to figure out than it seems. But knowing the answer can make a big difference in your budget. Let's take a closer look. Typically, there are many one-time and ongoing expenses within your homeownership costs. You have your mortgage, homeowner's insurance, utilities, maintenance, and repairs, plus potential HOA fees and maybe even private mortgage insurance. Together, these costs can add up fast, often in ways you can't fully see until your budget starts feeling tight. When you know what your home truly costs you each month, beyond your mortgage, you can budget more realistically, better handle surprises, and make better financial decisions overall. Some things to consider: are you comfortably affording your home or quietly stretching yourself thinner than you realized? Are you leaving room for savings, retirement, emergencies, and future goals, or letting these extra costs eat into them? These extra or hidden homeownership costs topped $16,000 a year, and homeowners who spend 30% or more of their household income on homeownership costs are considered cost burdened. So if we take the balance sheet of sample homeownership costs for a homeowner with a gross annual income of $156,000, we can find what percentage of their income goes to home costs by dividing the sum of those home costs by the gross monthly income. Finding out if you fall above or below that 30% threshold can help you decide if you need to make some adjustments to your balance sheet. That's exactly why we created our free cost of homeownership assessment. It helps you quickly total the major costs of owning your home so you can compare that number to your gross income. The result: a clearer, more complete view of how your home fits into your finances, not just on paper, but in real life. Plus, our assessment includes access to valuable resources that can help you readjust your budget as needed. Check out the assessment by clicking the link in the video description below, and be sure to subscribe to our channel to stay in the know, both about this topic and others that will help make homeownership less stressful and more manageable.